Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to unbox the September FAB bag with all of you. So September is FAB bag's anniversary month. So this bag is going to be really exciting. So this is how the bag looks like. So this side of the bag is a grey faux leather kind of a material, and this side has a textured shimmery black color, and it comes with a zip on the top, and they have included 2 buttons also. When you remove all the products from this bag, you can fold it up and make it a small clutch. So let me first open this bag and see what we got inside. I have a little idea what I have got, but I'm really excited to unbox as usual. So as I opened it up, I'm going to first take out all the cards inside. So they have this 10% off. So if you want a 10% code for your FAB bag, you can definitely go to the description box. I have this unique 10% code for all of my subscribers, but the code is only for 3 months, 6 months and 12 months subscriptions. If you want to buy just one bag, this code won't be valid for you. Next we have this Garnier card, 5% off on MRP. So they have given a 5% off code for all Garnier products. Then they have this card which has all the information about the products that I've received in this month's bag. And this is the In My FAB Bag contest card. So this year FAB Bag has turned 7. I'm really happy for them because from the first year I have been a loyal customer to FAB Bag. They have collaborated me several times, and really happy to see them where they are today. I have been purchasing from them when they were Velvet Bag. Then they rebranded and changed their name and become FAB Bag. So they have 5 products in this month's bag, and they are all full-size products. So I'm really happy. Last month I was not very happy with the products I got. So this month I'm beyond excited. So let me open this up and see what is in store for us. So first thing I have received in this month's bag is the hair detangling spray by Nirvana. So this is a natural hair detangling spray. I guess this is a serum consistency. Let me check. No, this is not a serum. This is just a spray, like a water-based spray which detangles your hair. And the smell is really nice, guys. Very organic, natural smell. I really love this smell. So this is priced at rupees 299. This is a full size product. This product is 100% purely handmade. The ingredient list is really exciting. They have distilled water, glycol, aloe vera gel, lavender, rosemary, essential oil, non-mineralized H2O and pH balanced aqua. So all the products are really natural. They have not used any chemicals here. This seems to be worth a try. Next we have a face wash. This is by the brand W2. I haven't used anything from this brand. So this is a neem and turmeric face wash. The ingredient seems really nice to me. Neem, one of my favorite ingredients, and turmeric is my all-time favorite ingredient. So this is for depigmentation and prevents acne. This is a 100-gram product, full size, and priced at 225 rupees. This also is a natural product. They have not used any chemical. They have haldi extract, neem extract, olive oil, bergamot oil, and base QS. I don't know what it is. Must try. Next we have a glitter by TS Cosmetics. TS Cosmetics glitters are very famous among beauty bloggers, makeup bloggers and makeup artists. I'm not very good at makeup. I do just basic makeup, so I never felt the need of doing glitter. I am always afraid of glitter. I just feel that I'm going to mess up at some time, so I never used a glitter before. But this is a great opportunity to try out one glitter in my lifetime. So this is by TS Cosmetics. This is a copperish bronze color, like a bronze color, yeah. This is in the shade Cappuccino. So this is an 8-gram product and also a full size, and it's priced at rupees 300. Next we have this Garnier sheet mask. I have almost tried everything from Garnier except this face mask. They have recently come up with this sheet mask. They say one mask is equal to 1 week of serum. If you use serum every day a week, this is going to do the same work in just one day, in one mask. You have the same amount of serum into it. This is super hydrating pinkish glow tissue mask, Sakura white. It works for dull skin, and if you have lack of glow, this works best. So I'm really excited to try this out. I'm probably going to try it out tonight, I don't know. and if I find any good result, I'm going to share it with you. Next, the final leg of the unboxing, which excites me the most. This product I have chosen myself. So they had like 3 options, 3 or 4 shade options, and I have selected the nude option. So this is the Sugar Minis, and this is the Smudge Me Not Liquid Lipstick Mini set. I'm really excited to try my hands on this. I have been eyeing on this forever, and this is a tin box, like a cute black tin box, and you have these 4 shades of nude lipsticks from Sugar Smudge Me Not range. So we have the shade Dawn Fall, Wood by Nude, Peak Mystique, and Hot Apricot. So I am really excited to try all of them. So that was it for this month's unboxing. So Fab Bag's anniversary bag is really a hit. You can definitely go and try out this bag yourself. I will give you my code, which is the 10% off code, which you can use on your 3 month, 6 month and 12 month subscription packages. I am really happy to receive all these products. All of them are full size, which is really exciting. This is certainly the start of the bag. I can't wait to apply all of them, like not at once. I will do a separate swatch video or swatch post for these minis. So if you are excited, go to my Instagram and follow me there. So that was it for this month's Fab Bag and this video. If you want to see more of me in this channel, so please go and subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet. Also like and share this video with all of your friends and family. I will see you in my next video. Till then, you guys be happy and keep smiling.